Hello everyone, this is Nicole Joshi again, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Synergy Gradebook if you are using Canvas and you are in the standards-based grading pilot. So you're going to head up to Gradebook, click on Gradebook Setup, then you're going to go over to Assignment Types. You would possibly have the APS preloaded options here. So I think that's like classwork, tests, homework, and so forth. You can edit these if you'd like. You can add a new one, but basically you need a summative, informative. I don't know why I have this do not use one. I think it made me put 3 here. That was the smallest amount of assignment types I could include. So summative, formative, don't use. You can do something the same as that. Once you've done that, you go over to Gradebook Setup, and you need to make sure that summative has 100% of the weight. If it does not, last year I used 20 and 80. This year we're just going to say that summative has 100% of the weight. Make sure to select all classes once you have changed the weight to 100, and then click Update. If you don't click Update, the settings will not save. Just waiting for that to load. Okay, so once that's done, you're then going to go to your Gradebook main page, and you're going to create an assignment. You're going to click on New. Make the assignment name IPR1 grade. Then you're going to change the assignment type to summative. And then for the score type, I think it automatically comes up as percentage, but you're going to click letter grade. Okay. And then because we have so many sections right now, because all of the kids are separated by choice, virtual and hybrid, you're just going to go and select all of your classes. Just apply this to all of them. Then it'll create this assignment in all classes. Okay. And then you're going to hit Save Assignment. So now, once you have distributed your grade determination forms to your students, you've received those back, you're going to put the letter grade in here. So say this kid got an A, say this one got a B+, say this one got a C. Again, we did do 2 weeks of SEL lessons, so not a whole lot of content to justify, but you are giving the most accurate representation of their current mastery of the unit in which you're currently in. Click Save Changes, and as you can see, it uploads this here, whatever letter grade you put in. When you go to Report Card and you go to Students, then when it's time to post your grades, same thing happens here. You're going to go to Edit Final Grade and Comments just like you normally do. Click in the comments that apply, save changes, and then post. So that's it. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.